Hello everyone, welcome to the new video tutorial of this Firebase with Flutter series. In this video, in this playlist, an earlier video, we are already take a look at how we can set up the VS Code Studio, because in the full of this playlist and all the video, I'm going to code on a VS Studio because of the lot of demand of the peoples. In an earlier video of Flutter series, that where we are teaching that how to make a Flutter application from the beginning, each of the widget information, and how we can code. We do the code on Android Studio, but now this time we are doing a code on a Visual Code Studio. The code will remain the same. You can just copy the code here and paste that ID. That will not produce any fault or error for you. Sometimes if it produces some error, it will cause of the dependency. You can check the dependency version to the GitHub. I already put the code about the code on the GitHub. You can take a look there and do a compare of the dependency version. And once we solve this, it will not produce any error. The main thing in the coding, that in the structure, that how we do the code, if you can understand that easily, that will be perfectly fine for you. So we already take a look at how to set up the Visual Code Studio, and we already take a look at what we have to do in a Firebase and how we can use the Firebase in a Flutter. So if you didn't watch that video yet, please go back and watch all the video, that will make your mind clear. And if you have ever thinking that why we need to do it, will get completely explained there. So why we need to set up that thing, each thing in each step, it will get described there easily. So let's move forward. In a previous video, we are watching that how we can sign in a Firebase anonymously, which is also in a guest signing. I'm hoping that you've seen some of application. Now in the modern days, almost each and every application have a option to get entered by the help of guest signing. The limited access that will provide the limited access, but I think most of the modern time application have a container option of a guest signing. So as we see the MS signing here, what we have to do, we have to go to Firebase again, open your console. When the console open your project that you are doing task, go to authentication, go to your sign method, and which is anonymous signing is already enabled because we are done in a previous video. So we have to add new provider, and this will become the email and password. So click on save here, and when it's saved, just go to your back, and we just need to do one thing. I'm just try to make this video more shorter for you because no one like to watch the whole video and listen to the lecture. So here we have to do what we have to do. Once we click a sign in Firebase button, let's check anonymously to change the email password. Email and password text will change with this. And where you can sign in each button of click, what we have to do, we are doing that click call in signing with Firebase function. Go back to the function, and where Firebase authentication, we have to sign in anonymously. So what we have to do, just change it, and now we have to do is signing email with email and password. Here it is. So in email we have to provide a string here. I am passing that movedev@gmail.com, and let's pass the password like 1 2 3 4. So just call the function. Let's take a look at what will happen there. But when we call the function, it will throw an error. The user may have been deleted and there is no user corresponding to the identifier. Do you know what happened? Because that's our bullshit. We are doing to sign in without a sign in, because there is no user with this email and password and we're trying to sign in. How is possible? Sorry for that bullshit. Let's click on, we have to sign up first. So what we have to do, we have to call a create user with email and password function, create user, and we have to provide the email which already provided here, and a password which also set up there. So click on reload and restart, and once it restarts successfully, click on sign in with email and password and wait what the result will bring to here. So the success means user are now clearly or easily sign up with the help of this email and password. So go to your Firebase. I'm just going to take a look that is user created there or not. Here you can see that user created with the movdev@gmail.com, which we provide in an email, in an email, and the password will not show here. Here the user ID is got. Wait, if you want to sign in with this email again, so this will help you to sign in. So let's one thing now. What I'm doing, I'm just trying to make you understand more with the help of signing tool. So create a signing with email and password, and it will remain the same because we have to use the same ID password for signing, which we have to sign up. So click on restart and click here and sign. Click here, and now it will. Here you can see the success option. Say success print success means you are signing the successfully. I'm not going to design an application in Firebase in this series. I'm just telling the short manner, sweet and short manner about that how we worked in a Firebase in a Flutter. You guys, if the going process, if this playlist going purpose, we will design some application if we need according to your requirement and what the other users say. So let's end this video here. It's quite short video and cover both the signing and sign up as well. So thanks for watching the video, and if you find this video useful, please do not forget to subscribe the channel and like the video, share it with friends. So thanks for watching. Thanks for your time.